guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I got for my birthday, as my birthday was a week or so ago, and I'm super excited. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I got for my birthday was the Sugar Pill mini color palette, fun size palette color thing. And it has a little gato on it, a little kitty. Open it up. There's a beautiful mirror. Hello. There you guys are. And then there's all the colors. See? Super. These colors are my kind of colors. When I saw this palette, I was like, I have to get that. That is the best thing. Mom, can you get this for my birthday? So yeah, that's super groovy. And then I got this cute little Rilakuma makeup pouch. It's super kawaii. And sweet. Look at the Akumas. Whee! Then I got this Real Akuma journal. It's super cute. Can write all the things. My only Real Akuma. Then I got it's alpaca the deluxe one. Hello, how are you? I'm an alpaca. La 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 la. She's so soft. She's a little bow and a little flower and a butt and a head like alpacas do. So yeah, guys, tell me a name for her. What should we name her in the comments? Let me know, friends. Look how cute she is. She's the deluxe one. And I was a little confused why her tags are on her ears. But she looks pretty authentic, as she is from Littlest Gifts Boutique Shop. That one website. So, yeah. Yeah. Hello. 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 Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And now for the final 2 items. And the last couple things I got for my birthday were 2 records. Starting off, Queen's Greatest Hits. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have a record player, or if you follow me here, you know I have a record player, or if you just follow me on the internet. On the inside, it's all the pictures of Queen doing Queen things as Queen does. And all the songs, it comes with 2 records. So yeah, Crazy Little Thing Called Love, and Somebody to Love Like Me, and another one, Bites of Dust, and my favorite song, Killer Queen. So yeah, and there's Roger Taylor. He's so handsome. The drummer, you know. See, it's all the photos. And then I got this Bon Jovi record. And yeah, it's super cool, super 80s, all that hair and stuff. And I have this one on CD, and I love it so much. I see it for my birthday in record form, and I got it. So yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. And until then, say super kawaii, my kawaii boo-ba-doos, my kawaii princesses, my kawaii alpacas, yeah. What is that face? I don't know. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you all in my next video. And until then, love you guys. Bye.